So, in the continuation to our previous session, where we have started with practicing questions for factorization of trinomial terms, where the trinomial was a perfect square. Okay, so we have already done some of the questions, and I think we need a little more practice on that. And it's quite easier, it's quite easier, and we can just by looking at the question itself, we can find out the answer to the question. We can find out the factors of the given expression. But before starting, let me tell you one thing, that we have taken one of the question over there. It was b square plus 14b and minus 49, right? So make sure that this is not minus 49, it is actually plus 49. Okay, so please make it clear that it is plus 49, it is not minus 49. Okay, so here now we are going to start with some of the questions. Let us take a few more questions regarding the same topic, that is factorization of. Let me write first the topic: factorization of perfect trinomial squares. Okay, we have already done this, but what I am going to tell you is that by just looking at the, by checking your expression, by just looking at the expression only, you can find out the answer. So that it will be more good for you. And just let us start first. Say 81a square minus 72ab plus 16b square. So you have to simply find the square terms first. You can see here the square terms are this one. This is the square term and this is the square term. And you can see that here you are given with a trinomial. Okay, this expression is a trinomial with three of the terms, right? And you are having square terms. Two of the square terms are there. Simply find the square. Just find out the root of these squares. So you can see here you are getting, actually you can write it in this form, that it is 9a. Okay, you can write 9a whole square, and this is a minus 72ab, and here you are having 4b whole square, isn't it? You can write it, or you can simply say that 81a square can be further written as 9a and whole square. And if you are going to find out the square root of 9a whole square, you are going to definitely, when you are going to cut this out, you will get what? You are going to get 9a, right? Similarly for 4b square, since it is 16b square, so 16b square can be written as 4b whole square, and you can write it in the form of square. When you are going to find the square root of 4b square, what you will get? So similarly, your 2 and 2 will cancel out. Okay, and you are getting 4b. Since the number here, the middle term here, already we have taken this term as well as this term. These two terms are the square terms. And now what you are going to do, you are simply going to connect these two roots with the help of this sign which is there in the third term. Okay, the sign which is there in the left out term, that sign is going to be used over here in the connection of these two terms. So your connection, your factor is what? You will get factor as what? The factors will be simply 9a, and here the connection is sign is a minus for the left term, so you are going to use minus over here, and it will be minus 4b, and then you are going to put a square, which can further be written as what? 9a minus 4b and 9a minus 4b. So you are having two of the factors with you for this expression which is given here. Okay, so it is 9a minus 4b, 9a minus 4b. Understood? Let us take some more questions. Okay, yeah, and after doing some more questions, we'll move to the fourth type of the factorization. Okay, so let me take one more, say second question. Say it is like this: x square plus 5x and plus 25 upon 4. simply you check whether you are given with two of the terms, since it is a trinomial, and now you have to check whether it is a square, perfect square or not, perfect square trinomial or not. So for that you have to check whether you are having two square terms or not. You can see here this is a square term. You can also see here you are having 25 upon 4, which can be written as a square form. Say how? Say this x square is already in a square form, so we'll just leave this, and or you can just write the square root of this square. You will get what you are going to get. Again, you can see here this will cancel out, you are getting x. What about this? 25 upon 4 can be written as, in the form of, it can be written as what? 5 upon 2 whole square. Is that clear? It is 5 upon 2 whole square. So again, if you have to find, this implies you what? That square root of 5 upon 2 whole square will give you what? This will cancel out with this 2. It means the root is going to cancel out and you are getting 5 upon 2. Now these two terms are to be connected. So you are having x, and what is the third term here? This is the third term, right? This is the left out term. This term and this term, these two terms are your perfect squares. So left out term is this one, which is not a perfect square. This can be written as what? You are going to use the sign of this term. Sign is what? Plus. You are going to use plus in for the connection in between these two terms, which you have, these two roots which you have taken out. So it is going to be x plus 5 by 2, and you are going to do square of this. This is actually the factors of the given expression. These are the factors. You can write in the expanded form like this: x plus 5 by 2 and x plus 5 by 2. So both of these two are the factors for this given expression. Okay, let us try to do some more questions, and we are not going to explain this much in the next few questions. We'll try to do verbally. So let's see whether we are going to do it or not. Okay, say third question, let me take. If you are given with, suppose, let us take any other example. Say uh, yes, okay. So if you are given with 25x to the power 4 minus 60 x square y square plus 36 y to the power 4, you have to find whether, you have to check whether this given expression is perfect trinomial square or not. Now you can see, and to find perfect trinomial square, what you have to see? You have to see whether you are given with two of the perfect squares or not. So you can see here, this is having 25x to the power 4 and this is having 36y to the power 4. Okay, these are the two terms with 4 in the power. Here you can see this is 60 and x square y square. Now this 60 cannot be changed to square form, right? So you just leave this term as such. We will check this one. This can be written as what? This can be written as 5x. Now x to the power 2 and then to the power 2. Okay, this is going to give you what? 25x to the power 4, isn't it? We can write x4 in the form. You can just check x4. This can be written as x square and again square. Okay, so here we have taken that only, and this 25 is taken as 5. 5 square is going to give you 25, right? And this is as such. And what about this? This is going to give you what? 6. Okay, 36 is 6. 6 is 36, and y to the power, again you are going to write y square and then further square. So you are given with two of the square terms. It means that this given expression, this whole expression is what? It is perfect trinomial square. Now what you are going to find? How to find the factors of this expression? Simply you are going to find the root of this. Now root of these two square terms. How to find the root? I have already told you. To find the root, you simply check whether you are having square here or not. If the square here matches with this 2 here, it means you can simply cancel it out and you will get 5x square. This is the root of this expression, this term. Okay, what we have done, simply we have taken out this in the form of in the square root, and we know that hidden, if nothing is there, it means there is 2 which is hidden, which is in the hidden form. And if the pair is there, it means 5x square to the power 2 is there, it means both are square. This is 2, this is 2. You can simply cancel out, your root will cancel out, and you are getting what? You are getting square root. Okay, Similarly, here what you will get? Here you will get what? See, 6y square, okay, and to the power square. So you are getting what? You simply see this and this cancels out, and you are getting 6y square. Now, two of the roots which you are getting, these roots are to be connected by which sign? This sign, the sign of the leftover, left out term. Okay, so you are going to connect. So your factors will be what? Factors will be 5x square, and sign is minus, so you are going to use minus, and then 6y square. This becomes your factor of this, and it is going to be square, I mean the whole square. Why? Because this is going to be used twice. It means 5x square minus 6y square. This is the first factor, and then again 5x square minus 6y square is the second factor. Understood? Now further you cannot factorize. These two factors are the factors of this whole expression. Okay, so I hope now you are very much clear with the with this type of factorization. Okay.